to my channel. Today, instead of doing a regular barber video like I always do, I got a nice review if you want a pair of clippers. The Andis Professional Cordless T-Outliner Lithium-Ion Trimmer. So these are Andis's new wireless T-Outliner. These are extremely popular right now, highly anticipated. So we're gonna see how they work and I'm gonna let you know what I think. Let's get it. So here you have a closer look at the box. You know what I'm saying? I don't really wanna go too much into that. I hate when people like, here's your box, da 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 da. So now, what we've all been waiting for. So one thing that I didn't know is that this is not a deep tooth blade, but we're gonna change that, no worries. And let's go ahead and get the first, you know what I'm saying? Let's power these on for the first time and see what they sound like. In the box, you get the charging dock. This is what it looks like. Okay. Then, we have the, the manual. Then we have this box here. We have a couple guards. I never use these. Next out of the box, we got some, we got some lube in here. Focus. Yeah, some lube. And finally, we got the charging cable. One thing that I do want to see if this cable can just be used with this without the charging dock. And it definitely can. So just in case you guys are wondering if it could be charged without the dock, it definitely can. And that was gonna be my next question. So now that we got everything out the box, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this to a deep tooth blade. Fight! In terms of power, I wouldn't compare it to the power of a corded T-outliner, but if you get it to hit the way you want it to, man, boy, you about to get some sharp ass lines, you know what I'm saying? But for the most part, I would recommend these T-outliners to anybody that travels a lot, does a lot of house calls, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you don't want a bunch of cords in your setup and stuff like that. It's definitely a major key. And as far as battery life, they last very long off of one charge. I don't think anybody's gonna take that long to do a shape up, in and out, and then you on to the next one. As far as pricing, at the time that I bought them, I paid $150 US. Was it worth it? Yes, I feel like the $150 US is justified. They might go up, they might go down, but for right now, they're at $150. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep finessing those cuts. And that's out.